attraction for the majority present here. Some of its well-known movies include Shanti, No Knock Nacha, Darshana, Drishyam, Seethamma Vakitlo Sirimalla Chettu.
ఈ సౌండ్ చాలు. ఇంత కొంచెం నర్వస్ ఉన్నాను, ఇప్పుడు కుమ్మేస్తాను, కొంచెం ట్రై చేస్తాను. In fact, I had a small doubt actually. Actually, when I started my career, I think none of you asked ever put under kuda. At least Noona Nacho time in chusara. Oh, thank God. Malisri chusuntaru kada? మరి Katrina kaif unte chuda. Actually, nowadays, you know what's happening? Young crowd, you know, sometimes they keep running up to me and take autographs, and I'm, you know, signing the autographs, and then one girl says, "Ma amma mee chala pedda fan andi." The seat koncham mari formal undi. And what have I done? Akkada కూర్చొని పెద్ద పుడింగ్ లాడి కూర్చొని ఏదో మాట్లాడుతున్నా. ఏం చేశాను నేను మీలాగా? I like to be there. You know, before it gets over, I always wanted to, you know, come back there and just scream there. Just to get a feel of it. Yeah. Just to get the feel. It's been a long time since I was sitting there. Because that's the best part. That's the best part. Because if there's something I'm going to miss all my life, it's the life of a student. I can sit there, scream my guts out, right? And I promise myself I'll go back to college again. Oh, seriously, this is serious. I don't know which college will take me, but I'm going to go. Huh? Bids ka? Ma bids nu meer andar koncham. Na level koncham. Very basic. You know, I was one of those rebel students, no? Having fun. Yeah? I did.
Here we go. Listen up. ఇంటి ముంగటున్నది పానీపూరి, రోజు 2 ప్లేట్లు బుక్త నేను ఖాళీ దూరి, ఆడు చనా ప్యాసు తెచ్చి సొంటి పానీలోన ముంచి వెట్టె తిన్నంక అడుగుతా ఖాళీ పూరి.